Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have an Expo project. Now install the font tools and grab a font. Run Expo install Expo font Expo uploading and Expo Google Fonts/family. Once done, import the specific font hook from Expo Google Fonts. For example, use fonts from Expo Google Fonts/Roboto. Load fonts at app root so text renders consistently. This prevents flashes of default fonts. Make sure to remove app loading when you use the new splash approach, but keep a loading gate until fonts are ready. Next, integrate fonts into your component tree. Import use fonts and load the weights you need, regular, bold, 700, so you don't request unnecessary files. Then destructure is loaded. If not loaded, return a full-screen loading indicator. Once loaded, wrap your navigation container or root view so all children inherit consistent styles. Apply font family strings exactly as exported, and use platform fallbacks for iOS versus Android when you expect different names. This ensures predictable text metrics. Finally, verify fonts across builds. Rebuild the native app if you eject or publish because OTA updates might not include new assets. Make sure fonts are bundled. If fonts still don't appear, clear Metro cache with Expo Start C, restart the simulator, and double-check font family names. Typos are the most common issue. One key troubleshooting tip: if text falls back intermittently, confirm you load every weight used and gate rendering until use fonts returns true, which avoids flashes and layout shifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.